You recording? Check it out. I'm so excited. Fujitsubo. Shout out to Black Hawk, Japan. Look at this beautiful boy. Oh, where'd that cool sticker go? That might be the best part. Bam. I'm gonna stick it right here.
You're gonna stick on the exhaust?
Mm-hmm. This thing is beautiful though. The welds look good, although I'm not like a welder. Let's do a before shot because, you know, you always gotta do a before shot. All right, let's do a 2K. That's 2000. Oh, I'm also hoping, let's see that. I'm also hoping for the temperature gauge to drop. So right now we're idling at like 250. Oh wait, why isn't it? Come on, focus. Okay. So right now we're like 220, 230. This is the exhaust. I think I'm zoomed in too much. This boy's kind of rusty. Bam, these up to here. Bam, this guy rusty as hell. Something I think I read will save our lives. Got a breaker bar set. And these boys. The joint set. Pop one of these out. You can like go at an angle. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, I gotta throw some penetration fluid on there because I want to penetrate it. The spot before the muffler, I just took those bolts off and I took the hangers off. Hopefully I can get this all in one piece. I think I have to fish this backward and then drop that front part in front of the muffler and then I can fish it forward. Part one's finished.
The manual says to use a lift. What are your thoughts?
Ain't no lifts around here. Just these lifts. Shit.
What are you doing?
I'm about to saw this exhaust off. We're free! Huh. Oh, inside's not as bad as I thought it'd be. Kind of sooty. But this outside, damn. Alright, that's exciting. I don't know if you can see that far. But let's see. Oh yeah, it's kicked up. Oh, something. I feel like it was clogged. The whole stuck, you know. I guess it's kind of a win because I had to take both off anyway because I got replacements. I got this guy off. I gotta get this. This one is about, I can't even see it. So we're going to remove the wheel and go through the there's a little wheel arch protection to get to this downpipe. Extension socket and a free battery pack. Oh, cool, hand tight. I feel like this angle's weird. Uh-oh, we got this piece too.
How you
Did
feeling?
it! That was one of the worst wrenches of my life.
Any suggestions for viewers?
Get long extensions. Preferably, I want to say 1/2, but the transmission and the firewall is like pretty tight. So maybe 1/2 should fit fine, or 3/8. You could do both, but get long ones, longer than what we got. And you need the joints. These joint thingies for sure. These will save your life. And maybe do it by hand.
What next?
Studs on, and then we're gonna put the downpipe on. Where'd it go? And then we're gonna put the downpipe on. And then we're gonna have to hand tighten the nuts blindly onto the downpipe. So we got some anti-seize, and we put some studs back into the turbo outlet, and then we're about to put on the new downpipe. Sick. Apparently we can still get new downpipes for 1KZ from Japan. New exhaust coming in. So excited, we finally did it. We got the downpipe on. We were absolutely destroyed. What a day. Oh, cool. Sick. That's cool. That's a cool touch. Alright, babe, I'm going in. So we're doing bolt, goes into the bracket, through the other bracket, and then the spring. And then washer, and then nut. Ah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I have nuts everywhere.
Is that also a part of it?
Yeah, you're supposed to do that.
Oh.
Imagine how much fun we'll have later, babe, when we get on RX-7. All right. Babe, we're almost done.
You said this 20 times now.
I know, but the tailpipe looks so good.
Uh-huh.
It's got some size to it.
Thank you, it's shiny.
Yeah, is that what you like about it?
Uh-huh.
Shiny, pretty.
Shiny, not rusty.
Yeah, that other thing was a rust bucket.
Ooh, it looks good. It definitely sounds snappy.
Sounds so good.
Give yourself a pat on the back.
So good. All my back hurts actually. You see how nice this exhaust looks? Well, I mean, the only part you get to see is the exhaust tip. But look at that big boy. So can you hit the exhaust? Can you hit the gas? That sounds really good. Bye. You know what's really annoying? What? Is when this wiper goes up, it doesn't have enough pressure on it. It doesn't wipe this top part, you could see. Yeah, See, it does like, I wipe this with my hand, but it misses this whole top part, and my rear view camera is right here. Anyway, we're back, y'all, part 2. Finished my exhaust install. She's kind of dirty. We'll fire her up and check how it sounds. It's quieter in the cabin after the install, because the old one somehow had like little holes and like, I guess the muffler was getting clogged up. Yeah, it gets more whistle back here, but it's nice because you can hear it out the window like shooting towards the back of the car, but it's not too loud in the cabin. I'll show you guys. Let's get some footage. Can I see? Let's see how she looks. It's been, how long has it been? A month? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It looks good. I don't know what it is. All of the Hiluxes I see on sale, the frames are pretty good, and then the exhaust is always rusted out. Just the exhaust. Yeah, you ready? You want to check out my janky tape job? So don't make fun of me. The button works. The light's just super bright, so I can't see at night. I'm gonna rev this guy to, let's say 2,000. Sounds good. Oh yeah. We're gonna get some more shots. We'll pull out the garage. Thanks all for watching. I've never done a YouTube build before, but we'll see where this takes us.